If you've ever struggled to make consistent income from your niche sites, pay-per-call affiliate marketing might be the breakthrough you need. And it's one of the core monetization strategies inside AI Niche Site Blueprint. Here's how it works. Instead of earning small commissions from clicks or sales, you get paid every time someone calls a business through your website. That means real leads and much higher payouts. Inside the blueprint, you'll learn exactly how to find profitable local niches that are perfect for pay-per-call offers, like home services, insurance, or legal help. Then, the built-in AI automation app handles most of the setup, building your site, publishing SEO optimized content, and ranking your pages so local customers find you fast. Once visitors land on your site, your call links do the rest, connecting them directly to businesses that are happy to pay for every qualified call. It's a low competition, high paying way to turn simple websites into automated income streams. So if you're ready to start earning from every call your sites generate, click the link in the description to join AI Niche Site Blueprint and learn how to build your first pay per call niche site today.